Welcome and welcome back to the channel, everybody. So first off, I want to say thank you to all the new viewers and new subs I've seen on my channel. You know, since I've got this car about 5 or so weeks ago, just a huge uptick in volume on the channel, and I love to see that. So shout out to the new subs. If you're new here, please consider subscribing on this video. And in today's video, we're going to be installing the Motorsports Plus Yellow CSL Style DRL modules for my wife's brand new M2. I bought these for her on her birthday back in March before we even had the car, because this is what she said was her favorite part. So without delaying anything too much longer, let's get right into it. So after you get the wheels off, there's going to be about 13 10mm bolts holding the fender liner in, and then just a few torque screws away from taking the old modules out. There it goes. So now that we've got both fender liners removed on the passenger and the driver's side, we're going to move on to loosening the two headlight screws. So it's going to be a T30 at the bottom and a T30 at the top. Loosen both, but do not remove them. And then there'll be 3 T20 screws on the actual module we're trying to remove. So we're loosening the headlight so that we can push it up and out of the way just a little bit. Otherwise, we won't be able to actually squeeze this thing out. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood, loosen those T30s on both sides, and then go ahead and remove this on both sides. Okay, there'll be 2 more of these down low. And all I see is the sun, apparently. So there's going to be 3 T20 screws on these modules that we're removing. This is what we have taken out. This harness right here, you remove it by pulling completely straight down with it. And then you don't want to touch any of the LED diodes you see on there. So all we're going to do now is remove these 2 T20 screws, swap on the new Motorsports Plus Yellow CSL Style boards, and then we're going to have the sickest headlights ever. Okay, so 2 things. These are directional. So there is a left and a right side, and it goes to these little holes, not the big ones. I was trying to line up to those little ones. And then the tape on the back was actually covering up the holes, so I couldn't see when I had it lined up. But that is a good fit right there. Don't need to get these on too terribly tight, just snug them on. Okay, she's on. Okay, and that is our passenger side done. Just need to mount this one back on, so going to grab the other one now. Tighten the headlights back down. Get the T30 bit on there. Get the top one tightened down. Now, except for the fender liners, we should be done. Except for the fender liners and putting the wheels back on. We're gonna do the other side and then turn them on, see if they work. So that's always fun to see if one turns on, the other one doesn't, or none turn on. So hopefully they all work. They turn on? You're waving every direction. Really? For real? Straight up. Oh, cool. Cool. Not done. Not done, everybody. So you guys saw I only had one going. I took this one back out and the act of like wiggling it into place seemed to unplug it. So took it back apart, plugged it back in. Let's see if we got it. We got it. Is it gonna stay on by the time I get around? No. I had too much stuff in my pocket. Oh, that's sick.
That looks cool.
Yeah, we'll get some shots when it gets a little darker out too. Yeah, I like it.
Easy.
Let's finish putting this thing back together and pull it out, see how she looks. So we finally finished everything up, just getting the wheels torqued down. Then we're gonna take it out to dinner tonight and see how his lights look. There it goes. That should be all the way around, let's check. That's it. See if we can get Ness to shut the hood for us here. She's not coming. She's coming. Does she know how to shut the hood? Just push it on down. Okay. There's no easy way to do that. Hey, and they still work.
Those look so good.
Yeah, those are nice. Don't be scared of the board. She said that, you guys can't hear, she doesn't have a mic on, but she just said she's scared because she doesn't want to drive off that board. She's gonna be just fine. Chill with the copyright, huh? I said chill with the copyright, huh? Oh, that's sick. pull the board out after you drive off. Stop. Whoa, stop. That's smacked. It's gonna be alright, no.
Come out as nice.
Yeah, you're good. Sheesh. Oh, these wheels are smoked. If you guys saw my last video, you know I talked about this. We're gonna try to clean it tonight, but now that we're going out to dinner, we're probably not gonna have time to, so we'll have to live with that grungy mess. But leave the car on so we can make sure the lights don't turn off. So better look at the lights. Probably get one quick clip and lower light later tonight to throw in here. What do you think, Ness?
They look good.
I probably can't hear you well, but that's okay.
No, I like it.
This was the one mod you wanted.
I don't even know why. I must have seen a picture, a video or something, but it looks sick.
Yeah,
I think
what
it
are you
looks cool.
eyeing next?
A wing.
A wing?
A little wing.
I was thinking a front lip,
Okay.
but a wing would also be good.
Or a front lip. I could...
So we have some special news on the channel, guys. Let's see if I can flip this thing around. I had to stop the recording. Oh, geez, look at that. This is a dirty one. I got it on my face. Holy crap. So, I actually just crossed the monetization threshold. So we are officially monetized. So with that said, the more you guys watch the channel, the more these cars are going to get modded. Probably the more cars we're going to buy. So Ness wants to see this thing modded up. I know she does. But I'm not going to spend my money doing that, guys. I just won't. So, you know, we're saving our money. And this YouTube thing, hopefully you guys can support us to help us mod our awesome cars and live out our dreams. So, yeah, I'm excited. We're monetized. Let's make it happen. Yeah, woohoo! And like I said, I'll throw in one more clip and lower light. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.